Alright, welcome back. Now I've got the auxiliary power driver board installed in the machine, as you can see over here. Zoom in right on that. And it's all plugged in and hooked up. Now I've gone over the machine, and at this point I don't really think I can do a whole lot without turning it on and seeing what happens. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to fire it up and let's see if we can diagnose what the issue is. Alright, here we go. Oh, you know what? It helps if you plug it in. Let's try that again. Plug the machine in. Turn it on. There we have it. It appears that it's booted up. I don't know what those sounds mean. 4 clacks and then a ding. And on the system board we've got 3 LEDs with the middle one blinking. That looks like it's working. There's a little bit of a hum. Sounds like a ground loop, but I don't hear any coils on. I thought that might have been a coil, but it's coming through the speakers. So let's turn it off. So we can see we've got GI and let's see. There's no display, unfortunately, but let's see. Here we go. I'm not sure what that means, since I'm new to the System 11s and their diagnostic modes. It looks like one of the displays is out, the upper one. We have flippers. The flippers seem to work. Zoom out here. So just a rudimentary thing, a right flipper, left flipper. Let's see. Pop bumpers, slingshots. So the solenoids are firing. We've got a little bit of GI. We've got a little bit of a ground hum. And let's see. See what one of the 3 diagnostic buttons is out, so I'm going to press the leftmost one in the door, and it seems to I guess it's that's a good sign.